In this video, I'm about to show you how you can take Litecoin, so this way you can take payments on that crypto and deposit money directly on your Kraken account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I'm going to show you the full process you need to do to get and find your Litecoin wallet address, and this way you can take payments from anyone you want. I'm also going to show you an example of what the other person has to do to send you the payment. So firstly, just log into your Kraken account, and now we are going to go to deposit. You can find it right here, or you can also click transfer and deposit. Now go to crypto and search for Litecoin right here, click it, and here you have some simple instructions. So if you are new to crypto, you can read this, but it basically says that you can only deposit Litecoin from the Litecoin network. There is a small minimum deposit as well. There is a processing time of 30 minutes more or less. And if you want to make sure everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So just click this button, and this is your Litecoin deposit address. So you can copy it right here, or you can also scan this QR code. And this is basically what you need to send to the person that is paying you. In my case, I will be doing a deposit from my own Binance account. So let's say I want to send my Litecoin deposit address. I will just copy it, send it to the person, and what they need to do is paste the address, for example, on Binance, then select Litecoin on the network, which has been automatically matched, and now set the withdrawal amount. In this case, let's say I want just 0.1 Litecoin, so do that. In my case, it has a very small network fee because Binance takes a small fee. So just withdraw and continue. So that's it. This is the test deposit I just did from my Binance wallet, and we can go to activity to see that everything has worked fine. As you can see, I just deposited Litecoin. This is the amount of Litecoin I just sent. They took a little bit because of the network fee. We can also see that on the transaction right here on Binance. But that's basically the process you need to follow to take payments and deposit Litecoin on your Kraken wallet. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.